Hello amigos! In today's video I will be comparing the most famous blush ever that's ever been created on this earth, which is obviously the Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush by Rare Beauty's Selena Gomez line, and a cheap dupe from eBay which is called Velvet Liquid Blush Liquorane or something. Like, look at this, guys, how similar they are. Today we are gonna compare these two and see how they are, because when I saw this one I'm like, I gotta have it and I've gotta show it to you. So let's start. So as I say, this is the most famous blush on earth right now, and it's called Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush. I've got it in the shade Happy, which is sold out now on Sephora and Space NK, so I'm quite fond of this guy right now. It's a long-lasting liquid blush that blends and builds beautifully for a soft, healthy flush. And I mean, everyone knows this blush. It's in 7.5 milliliters, and this is how it looks like. It's freaking cute, adorable. The packaging is so luxurious. Like, I don't know what else can I say about this blush. Everything else been said and done and tested because it's viral for a reason. But when I saw this guy on eBay for only £4.50, I was like, I gotta test it and see how it's like, because for £4.50, if it gives the same pigmentation, then we are here for a win. This one comes with a little packaging outside, which is pretty good. It's made in China, so I don't have high expectations, but we shall see. One thing that I've noticed straight away is that the ingredients are very similar. So basically this one says ingredients, which is basically not even spelled right, because obviously it's ingredients, so we know it's kind of a very suspicious blush. And look at this, the ingredients. You start to read them and it says hydrogenated polybutan something, hydrogenated poly. Literally the ingredients are the same. Like, you can see right now, I am so freaking amazed. Like, if they use the same type of stuff, then it must be the same type of blush, right? Only by the ingredients you can actually see if it's the same thing, right? So I've never tested this one, I've never tried it. I think I have a cat hair on my face, but I'm definitely gonna try this one right here, because I'm not sure I'm gonna use this one. I have so many blushes in my collection and I feel like this is gonna last for ages. I know that sounds like something bad, but yeah, I'm here for this guy right here. And let's see. Oh my goodness, now look at this. It says Liquorane Beauty something. Look how freaking similar is the packaging, and I think even the shade is kind of the same. Like, look at this. This one you could tell is a little bit dodgy because it has sort of a separation going on right here, which is not a good sign. Like, straight away, what on earth is this? Is it safe to put it on my face? I hope so. But considering it has the same ingredients as the Rare Beauty,
you can't go wrong with this one.
This is £22 on Sephora and Space NK, and it's usually sold out, especially in this shade. And this one was like £4.50 from eBay. It took kind of a good month to arrive, so I'm very excited to try it. And let me open and see how it's like. Oh my god, it smells very artificial. Ooh. Yeah, I don't like the smell. I added one dot and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So it says to add like 2 dots. If it's gonna be as crazy pigmented as the other one, then ooh la la, we are here for a treat. And let's blend. Oh my god, now this is this is so pigmented. Oh my goodness, why did I even add like 2 dots? This is way too much than I expected. Wow. Oh, I think I'll have to wipe something because I'm gonna look like a clown. Yeah, just let's see how it's done. Okay, this is absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness. This dupe. What the hell? Wow. Wow. I am impressed. Did you see? I added just 2 dots, exactly like the Rare Beauty one, and look at this pigmentation, and it blends so nicely in the skin. It's also very dewy. I did not expect this. Run to eBay and get it right now. It's for a fraction of a price. And look at this. Is this even real? It has the same ingredients, literally. And I think one more plus. As you saw, this one had like a proper plastic packaging, while the Rare Beauty one, it's obviously enclosed here, but on this side I opened it very easily, so I feel like that's a bit of a letdown because I want it to be properly like packaged and stuff because I don't want any nasty hands on them. I was quite skeptical because it had that separation, so I'm like, this doesn't look right. But oh my goodness, the wait was worth it. Seriously, I waited for this like 1 month. If you can't find this one in the shops, and you usually won't find it even right now. I just went to Sephora and Space NK and they have just a couple of shades. My darling, run away and get this one from eBay. It's literally the same thing, like the ingredients. I'm gonna actually post them on the screen right now so you can see the Rare Beauty one and then this one. It's literally the same stuff and the packaging and just like everything. I don't know if this is legal and I don't know which one was first, if I'm honest, because I've seen so much of this packaging on like wholesale websites. So definitely a huge dupe. Like this one is made in Korea, this one made in China, pretty close, but the stuff inside is the same. Like 98% of the stuff what you find here is here. So no wonder it's so good on my face. Like, I am so impressed. It would have been better if I would put it like side by side, right? But as I said, I'm not sure I'm gonna use this one because it's gonna last me a while and I have so many blushes. So I am really impressed with this one. This gets a big thumbs up from me, 10 out of 10. I will keep using it for £4.50. I am absolutely sold. Incredible. I'm not saying to not get the Rare Beauty one because it's incredible. It's amazing. It's, as I said, the best blush on the market in my opinion, and all the millions of other influencers and YouTubers. But if you're broke, just like me, most of the time, then definitely get this one because it's so freaking worth it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, to subscribe down below, and to let me know if you've tried any Rare Beauty dupes because I'm sure there's so many out there. Until next time, bye.